In this video, I will show you how to download Adobe Acrobat Pro for free on your PC or Mac. First, open your browser and search for Adobe Acrobat Pro Free. Open the official Adobe website from the search results. Select your country if prompted, then click Start Free Trial. Next, enter your email address and click Continue. Then, fill in the required information, including your payment details. Adobe requires a valid payment method to activate the free trial. After that, click Agree and Subscribe. If prompted, create a password for your Adobe account. Now, download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud app if it isn't already installed. Sign in using the same Adobe account you just created. Once you're signed in, open the Apps section, find Adobe Acrobat Pro, and click Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then launch Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.